What's up, guys? We finally made it to this last video in this Chirp series. Thanks a lot for coming this far. In this final lesson, we're going to incorporate all the previously covered material. You'll find a link to the sheet music and everything discussed in this video in the description below. Alright, let's get started with the first example. The tempo is at 85 beats per minute. Here we go. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take a look at the next example. With this rhythm, let's make sure we continue to count out loud. We're going to continue to work on building a solid foundation. We're going to play clean and even strokes because we don't want to sound sloppy. Alright? Let's go. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go ahead and get into our third rhythm. This time, we're going to focus on playing a steady and even tempo. As usual, let's also work on getting an even and consistent sound. I want you to try to play the rhythm as even as possible. Let's count it off. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's time to move on to the fourth and final rhythm. Hopefully we're not having problems getting our strokes to sound crisp and clear. To be on the safe side, let's focus on our fader control. Let's make sure that the fader is in time with our strokes, so make sure to say the count properly. We don't want to come in too early or drag the fader as we execute our strokes. Here we go. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4. Thanks for watching. We really hope that you enjoyed this series. For premium content, check out our website, scratchingmadeeasy.com. With our premium videos, I'll walk you through learning different scratch techniques and, more importantly, how to put them together. Our Made Easy method takes all the mystery out of scratching, and with consistent practice, it will take your scratching to the next level. Again, thanks for checking us out. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. See you next series. Peace.